In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, head to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the account-level options you'll need to adjust. From the menu, select Account and Settings. After that page opens, click the Advanced tab. You may need to scroll a little to find the Currency section, since it's usually located farther down the page. Once you see it, click Edit to open the available currency settings. At this point, you'll have the option to turn on Multicurrency. This feature allows you to work with customers, vendors, and transactions in different currencies, which is especially useful if you do business internationally or need to track payments in more than one monetary format. Go ahead and enable Multicurrency. QuickBooks will then display a confirmation message. Take a moment to read it carefully, because enabling multicurrency is an important setting and usually can't be turned off later. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm that you want to enable it. Then click Save, and after that, click Done to exit the settings area. Now that multicurrency is enabled, you can start adding the currencies you want to use. Click the settings gear icon again, and this time select Currencies. This section lets you manage the additional currencies available in your company file. Next, click Add Currency. A list or drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose the currency you want to add. Select the one you need and then click Add to confirm. If you work with more than one foreign currency, you can repeat this process later for each one you want available in QuickBooks. Once your currencies have been added, you'll be able to use them when creating customers, vendors, or transactions wherever the currency option is available. Be sure to choose the correct currency at the time of setup, since this can affect how balances, invoices, and payments are recorded. That's all there is to it. By enabling multicurrency and adding the currencies you need, you can make QuickBooks Online much more flexible for international business and multicurrency bookkeeping. Thanks for watching.